It is not all vehicle issues that gives clear symptoms. You're starting the vehicle is not coming up, and the next thing, let us change the pump. When we change the pump, everything will be in order. Oh, it's the filter. Let us change the filter. It is the fuel pump ECU. When we check that, it is that will solve it. Oh, it is the air flow meter sensor. When we change that, and you start to go from one thing to the other, and unfortunately it is not all the time your scanner would be the one to pinpoint what the issue is. What do professionals do? Professionals perform point to point test. There's a way to get this done. There is no magic involved in this. Consult a professional, you would get results.